Hello all, I am Nakul and this is my channel, Nakul Teaches. And today I will tell you guys about the top 5 programming languages to learn in 2020. So please watch the video till the end. This will be based on two main factors. 1. How long does it take to learn the language? And 2. How much is the overall productivity you can show through the language? And how fast can you do things with it? Number 5. Java. Java. It is a pretty amazing programming language which a lot of people know. This is an object-oriented programming language used in multiple Android applications. And it is the primary reason why it is even used today. Many trading companies and trading applications are made with it. It is declining due to languages like Kotlin, but it still has many users. Number 4. Swift. Swift is an iOS programming language that is used for Apple. If you have ever dreamt of making an app which shows up in the App Store or people in the Apple world can use it, then that is why you would use Swift. Coming up to the popularity, it is not going up, neither it is coming down. From the last 5 years, it is a very stable language and not going anywhere. It is a beginner-friendly and easy-to-learn language, and it has multiple tutorials on YouTube. Number 3. SQL. I call it SQL. It is okay if you call it the either way. Some people might argue that it is not even a programming language, although it ultimately doesn't matter. It is called the structured query language. I recommend this as the web applications and the softwares use data, and you can most probably can't pass it without knowing SQL. SQL handles data. For example, when you like a pic on Instagram, the number of likes show up and the data is stored somewhere. This is how SQL works. Number 2. JavaScript. I know people will say, why is JavaScript number 2? It should be number 1. But I did it as according to Google Trends and the People Index. It is number 2 in popularity compared to the first language. When talking about JavaScript, it is a really popular language and it is super easy to learn. The base of many huge companies such as Amazon, Flipkart and Apple is JavaScript. So you understand that the huge amount of their creative web development and web applications need JavaScript. The plus point is that every browser supports it. Number 1. A quick drum roll please. Python. It is a sick language. It is legit. Python is the world's most popular language according to the Google Trends and the People Index. Well, it is a multi-purpose language. You can do web development with Django and Flask. You can do data science and AI. That is why the hugest companies are shifting to Python. For example, Google, YouTube, Instagram, Reddit and Dropbox. And the list just goes on. Through this, I just want to tell you guys what can you do with Python. It is easy to learn and it is just simply amazing. I don't have more words to describe it. If you haven't seen my previous videos on AI, check them out. The links are in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel and smash the bell icon, but with love. Don't forget to like and share this video. For now, bye and see you in the next video.